In this video, I'm about to compare Zapier and N8N. The pros of Zapier include its wide range of integrations, supporting thousands of apps like Slack and Google Sheets, which make it great for automating business tasks. Users can create multi-step workflows, known as zaps, and customize actions with conditional logic. The platform's drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, simplifying setup and also support team collaboration. The cons of Zapier are that advanced features require a paid subscription, which can be expensive for small businesses. New users might find it overwhelming for complex workflows, and some integration may lack deep customizations. The pros of N8N are that it's open source and self-hostable, giving users full control over their data and customizations. It supports advanced workflow with conditional logic, branching, and powerful data transformations. For developers and teams comfortable with coding, N8N's flexibility and extensive options make it ideal. The cons of N8N are that it has steeper learning curve compared to Zapier, especially for those without technical backgrounds. While it offers integrations with many services, it doesn't yet match Zapier's breadth in app support, and its self-hosting requires additional setup and maintenance. Choosing between the two depends on your needs. Zapier is ideal for users looking for easy, extensive integrations without needing technical skills, while N8N suits users seeking advanced customizations and control over their automations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.